Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Prefect workflows for orchestration and retries, complete guide step by step clearly. To download Prefect workflows for orchestration and retries, you first need to open your command line interface. Ensure you have Prefect installed on your machine. You can verify the installation by running the command, Prefect version. Next, navigate to the directory where you want to save your workflows. You can use the command cd/path/ to your directory to change directories. Now, it's time to create a new Prefect project. Run the command, Prefect create project your project name. This command initializes a new Prefect project in the specified directory. Once your project is created, you need to connect to your Prefect backend. Use the command, Prefect backend server to connect to a local Prefect server. If you prefer using Prefect Cloud, replace this command with Prefect Backend Cloud. Now, you can begin creating your workflows. Use the Prefect Register command to register your workflow with the Prefect server. To create a workflow, you would typically define it in a Python script. Include your task definitions and flow in this script. After creating your script, save it in the same directory as your project. When ready, run the command, Prefect register flow_script.py. Now that your flow is registered, you can download it. Use the command, Prefect get flow in your flow name. This command retrieves the flow from the Prefect server. Once downloaded, you can view your flow. To visualize it, run the command, Prefect get flow in your flow name JSON. For retries, you can configure your task within the workflow script. Use the @task, retries = n, decorator to specify the number of retries for any task. To apply the retries setting, redefine your task in the script. Save your changes and re-register your flow with the Prefect register command. With these steps, you now have a complete guide for downloading Prefect workflows, setting up orchestration, and managing retries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.